Hello students, today we are going to discuss some practice problem based on transformation of trigonometric ratios of product into sum or difference and vice versa. So first question under this category is 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. So in first term we can straight away apply the formula 2 cos a cos b, so it is cos of sum of the angle plus cos of difference of the angle. Now if we observe the angle between first and third term, so if we roughly add them, so sum is 13 pi by 13 or simply pi, so I am replacing first angle as pi minus 3 pi by 13. Similarly 8 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13, their sum is also pi, so I am replacing 8 pi by 3 as pi minus 5 pi by 13. Now cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Similarly cos 180 minus theta is again minus cos theta, so it is cos of 3 pi by 13 negative sign and cos 5 pi by 13 with negative sign, so that all terms cancel and result is 0. Next question is sin of a plus sin of b upon cos of a plus cos of b is equal to tan of a plus b by 2. So again we will apply CD formula. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, or here 2 sin a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2, and in the denominator it is 2 cos a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2, so that common factor cancel out and we are left with tan of a plus b by 2. In next question we are having three terms, so how to handle this, as cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x is there, see 4 plus 2 is 6x and divided by 2 then it is 3x, so that means 3x is visible here. That means I will club 4x and 2x term and then I will apply the formula cos c plus cos d, so it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. Same in the denominator, it is 2 sin c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2, so that cos 3x can be taken out common from the numerator and sin 3x can be taken out in the denominator, so that we are left with 2 cos x plus 1, it is cancelled out and we are left with cos upon sin, which is cot 3x, which is equals to right hand side. Next question is sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 is equal to 0. We have to prove this. So again we are applying the formula sin c minus sin d. It is 2 sin c plus 2 cos c plus d by 2, which is cos 60, and sin c minus d by 2, so it is minus 10 and plus sin 10. Now sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, so I am writing minus out, so cos 60 is half, so 2 cancel out and we are left with minus sin 10, and also we are having plus sin 10, so that these two terms cancel out and result is 0. Next is if cos of a minus b equals to 3 cos of a plus b, prove that cot a cot b is equal to 2. Here we are having cos of a minus b is equal to 3 times cos of a plus b, so shifting cos of a plus b in the left hand side, we are having cos a minus b upon cos a plus b is equal to 3 by 1. Now applying component of dividendo, so that we are left with cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b upon cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Now we can apply CD formula, so we will get cos a cos b in the numerator and sin a sin b in the denominator, as 2 cancel out, so that we are left with cot a cot b is equal to 2. Similar question we are having, you can try this at home. So sin beta upon sin of 2 alpha plus beta is equal to m by n, so we can prove this, we have to prove this cos of alpha plus beta is equal to n minus m upon n plus 1 into cot alpha. So applying component of dividendo, you can obtain this. Now next question is cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. Now here we have no need to open the square, rather we can straight away apply the formula cos c plus cos d. So this is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Similarly in the second bracket also we can apply 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we can take common cos alpha minus beta by 2 and 2 from both terms, So as it is a square, so we are having 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 outside the bracket. Inside the bracket it is cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin square alpha plus beta by 2, or this is 4 times cos square alpha minus beta by 2, as this is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so this is equals to right hand side. So that's it. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.